You doing a picture or a recording?
I'm recording.
Hi girls! It's Sunday and Michelle's holding the camera, so really hi Katie!
Hi Katie.
My phone failed at life and I have to have, oh my gosh, it's got like bubbles. Can you see that in the camera?
That's why I'm doing it. It looks cool.
That is awesome. Can you see it? Is it the same?
Yeah, you can see it.
That is awesome. But yeah, so it's
vibrating right
Sunday and I tried to make my video, but I failed to upload it because I had to make it from my phone and I don't know the password to my aunt's Wi-Fi. It's just saved in my computer, so I couldn't give it to my phone to upload. So we have this, and we'll have a real video next week. And Michelle was kind and doesn't want me to be punished, so she's making a video on her camera.
Yay!
So yeah, and we have the musical stylings of David Rodriguez tonight as part of our entertainment.
With wine.
With wine. And yeah. Oh, Katie, you were adorable in your yarn.
She was.
I smiled. I've gone back and watched that section multiple times.
Wine time.
And apparently
Wine.
it's wine time. So I'm going to go, and I hope that Katie, you have a fantastic week, and this gets up before you upload your video, which I'm sure it will.
Definitely.
We're really bad at timing. And
It's Friday, Friday.
I'm so glad that's not party. Yeah. And bye. Synchronized hiccuping! Now it won't happen. I can't bring a camera.
We should just hold it here.
Yeah, we should.
There's one.
But I didn't hiccup. I can't do it under pressure.
That's what she said.
I think you have worse hiccups than me.
Mine have lasted for over an hour. Did yours really end?
I think so.
Oh, fair. The camera, it did it to her.
The camera scared off my hiccups. I haven't worn makeup for like 2 days. It's been weird. Junior! He's that way. Don't tell Junior that Linus is my favorite kitty. I have a stain on my favorite skirt from Linus. He's making fun of us! Watch Junior run away. Oh, Junior's gonna go! You're picking him up? You're ballsy.
Balls. Look at that kitty.
Of course, Dennis hasn't been here in a couple of days. He needs a man to hold him gently. Of course, Dennis usually perches him on his shoulder. Hi, Junior.
Sammy, are you blind still?
Am I blind?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You're not wearing your glasses.
Yeah, I'm not wearing my glasses. This poor cat. Yeah, put him down.
I'm still recording.
I got like my I'm not gonna say that because the camera's on high. I don't know how far it is. What are you gonna do with this? Are you gonna edit it into a video on either Wednesday or Friday?
We're just gonna put it on there.
No!
Extra video.
No, it needs to go this way then. No! Why are you doing that?
Show us Jack. Jack.
He was playing with his nipples, wasn't he?
Jack.
His hand is covering Jack.
Oh, was it?
You gotta properly Vanna White that shit.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Look at that. Look at
Junior's
that.
taking a bath now.
Look, Kane. Kane's his way.
Oh my god, I think it was Sea Turtle Day at Gumbo Limbo, and some guy had his shirt tucked into his underwear, and the Hanes was sticking out above his jeans. And I was just like, really? Really?